Hello friends, my name is Sankalp and today I am going to show you how I created my Makeover Monday week 33 dashboard. Before starting this video, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel because nearly 70% of the viewers do not subscribe my channel. So please subscribe for more of such useful content. So in this dashboard, I have created one bar plot and one map of Scotland. The main challenge doing this dashboard was to create the map of Scotland because Tableau does not have map of Scotland in its maps. So the first thing I'll do is I'll show you how I created the map of Scotland. So let's start with the video. The first thing you will need to do is to visit this website special.hub.scot/getdata/. In it, you have to download the shapefile of Community Council boundaries. Just click on download shapefile and it will be downloaded. It will look something like this. This is the Excel sheet I have created. These are the names present in shapefile and I have added one column which is region group. These names are according to the names in the dataset of week 33 challenge. So now we'll start with our visualization. First go to Tableau, connect data, select special file and select our shapefile. Our shapefile will look something like this. Now you have to add a filter on local authorities. Now select the following. Highland. We have to select the cities which are in our dataset. Some of the cities are not exactly in our dataset, but I have done research on Google and those are the parts of our data. Those are the parts of places given in our dataset. Select Glasgow City, South Ayrshire, South Lanarkshire, Stirling, Clackmannanshire, Midlothian, Scottish Borders, Fife, Angus, Aberdeenshire, Evianshire. Okay, so now we have selected all the cities given in our dataset. Now go to text file and select our week 33 dataset. Now you have to blend this with our shapefile. And the blend parameter is local authority in shapefile and name in week 33 data. So now we have prepared with our data. So let's start with our visualization. Drag geometry to the sheet and you can see the map of Scotland is now created. drag region to details. Now drag region to the filters and unselect the null. OK. Now you have to drag company to the color. Go to edit colors. In this you have to select custom diverging. For the left side color you have to select 55A1FF. Okay, it's not 9F, we will write FF and click on OK. For right side color we'll choose 0065BF. This is the blue color present on flag of Scotland, hence I have selected this color. Click on OK. Now to remove the borders from our map, go to color, effects, select border and none. Now you can see our map of Scotland is ready. Now you have to rename this sheet to the map. Now you can see when I hover on this map, the different region group with the number of companies can be seen in tooltip. Now we will create bar plot. For that, create new sheet, drag region group to the rows, drag companies to the column. As you can see, our bar plot is created. Now you have to sort this bar plot according to number of companies. So just click on sort button. Adjust view as fit to the height. Now drag companies to the columns for dual axis. Select dual axis. For the first chart, you have to select the bar. So select the bar. Now we'll give color to this chart. So drag companies to the color. Now go to edit colors and in here you have to write 0065BF. Click on OK. Now you can see the cities on the bottom are not well seen. Hence we will change the we'll go to advanced settings and set the start to -200 so that we can give color to the bottom cities as well. Now go to the circle graph and adjust its size according to your needs. Name this sheet to the bar plot. Now just do little formatting, remove the headers. Hide the label, adjust the sizes of your bars. Don't forget to synchronize your axes. After synchronizing, again remove the header. And you can see the bar plot is almost ready. Remove the grid lines, zero lines, every lines present in our chart, so our chart looks clean. Now go to rows and select axis ruler and give it our color 0065BF. Now edit the text, align it horizontally and change its color and font. Make it bold. So this makes our chart looks good. Now drag companies to the label. Make sure you are dragging it to the label of bar plot. Go to quick table calculation and select percent of total. Now set color to the bold and select the font size as 11 and make alignment to the left. So in this way you can show the percentages, and our bar plot is ready. Now I will show you how I created background of my dashboard. So for that I used Figma app. This is the background I have created in Figma app. So for that you have to go to figma.com, select frame, adjust the width to what was it? It was 1000 and 1100. So adjust the width to 1000 and height to 1100. Select zoom to fit. Now select rectangle and drag this rectangle on your worksheet. Go to fill and write 0065 BF, which is our color of Scotland flag. Similarly, create vertical rectangle and give it the color 0065 BF. Copy this rectangle and then paste it. Drag the pasted rectangle to the right. Similarly, again take the rectangle and adjust it at the bottom of the page. Give it a color 0065 BF. Now select all of these 4 rectangles. Right click on group selection. Now you have combined all of these 4 rectangles. Go to effects and click on plus, and the shadow will be dropped. Now click on T and write your text like I have written Scotland, the digital nation. Set alignment to the middle and take font Rousseau 1. You can choose whatever you want. Just format your text. Give a color FFFFFF. That is a white color to your text. So in similar manner you can do it for all of these 11 regions, 1863 companies, 169 companies per region. For the line, you have to select line and just drag it and go to stroke and adjust its width. You can adjust its colors. For that, go to fill. Just go to stroke and adjust its color. So in this way I have created the background. To export this background, just click on export desktop. When you press export desktop, one PNG file will be downloaded. It will be like this. You just have to import it in our dashboard. For that, go to Tableau and create new dashboard. Select tile and drag image to your dashboard. choose an image we have just downloaded. So this was the image we have downloaded. Click on apply and OK. Go to size and write width 1000 and height 1100. So we have to remove the paddings. So select your image and remove the padding. Write 0. And select your dashboard and remove its padding also. Now you can see our image is properly fitted in our dashboard. Rename this dashboard to the map dashboard, as we are going to add map to this dashboard. Now drag map. Okay, first select floating and then drag map to your dashboard. Remove the everything, legends and filters. Remove the sheet name, hide title. Adjust the size of this map according to your dashboard. Adjust the size. Okay, now we have to remove this line, so just for that go to maps, go to format, go to format border, set row divider paint to none and column divider paint to the none also. Now annotate. To show the information of each city or state, you have to click on annotation and write the information in it, like Highland and Islands, IT companies, and percentage of total companies. Pop-up like this will be generated. Now the region is Highland and Island. Okay, we have to add percentage of total to the tooltip. For that, drag companies to the tooltip. Go to quick table calculation, select percent of total. Now again go to your dashboard, percent. Okay, the IT company's number was 122 and percentage of total was 6.55%. So we'll write it in the edit notation. Give color 0065BF and adjust the fonts and make it bold. For Highland and Island, take a bigger font and use Tableau Bold. Click on apply and OK. Make alignment to the right side, as we are going to show it on the left side. Now drag this box to the left side, go to its format. In box you have to select single sided, in shading select none. Select none. In border, you have to select a line and a bigger line. Select our color. In line, you have to select the middle line and the lighter black color. in line end you have to select dot. So in this way you can create the notifications for all the 11 cities like this. Here you can see I have created for each one. So do this for the all cities. Now we will create second dashboard, that is bar plot. For that we will duplicate this dashboard. We will remove the map and now drag bar plot. Before that we will rename this dashboard as bar plot dashboard. Drag bar plot to the dashboard. Remove the legends, remove title, adjust the size of the bar. Okay, so as you saw, the circle size was less. So now we will just adjust the size of the circle according to our needs. So it's just the iteration process. You have to decrease and increase the size and look it in the dashboard. Okay, now you can see it's properly adjusted. Now just add a text. Percent of companies in the region. Adjust its font size, make it bold and change its color, whatever you want. On apply and drag this text according to your needs. Okay. Now I'll show you how to navigate between these dashboards. So for that click on navigation and drag this to your view. Go to navigate to select bar plot dashboard and in button image select the image you have downloaded. Like I have downloaded this image of bar plot. Select borders. Don't select the background as our picture is nice. White background will be enough. Click on apply and OK. Adjust the size of this button and place it wherever you want. Now write a text, click here to see bar plot. Format this text. And now OK. Change its size and drag it wherever you want. Like in this case I have put it on above the button. In the similar way you have to do it for the bar plot. First navigate to map dashboard. Button style is image button. Choose your image. So I have downloaded one image for that. Select border to the middle one. Select color black. And you can see similarly adjust the size of this button. Now drag text, write your text, that is click here to see map. Format this, select tableau bold select the color. Now OK, and just drag it there. Okay, now we have to show that Midlothian and Glasgow almost contribute to 59% of the total IT companies in Scotland. So click on annotate. Drag it downward. Now on Glasgow, again click on annotate point. Now adjust the lines. Out of the two boxes, one box should be empty. So you have to remove this box by by removing the contents of it. Click on apply, OK. And in formatting, there is go to format annotations, box to none, shading to none, and edit line. Select the big one and adjust the color. Select the line end as arrow and adjust its size. Now click on the second box. In it you have to write your content. That is, Midlothian and Glasgow contributes to almost 59% of the total IT companies present in Scotland. So just write all of your text and then format this text according to your needs. Okay, give the color 0065 BF, make them bold, and for important points like Midlothian, Glasgow and 59%, give the font Tableau Bold so that they can be highlighted. Click on apply and OK. Now format the annotation, select 4-sided, select shading to none and border as a black color and line to the similar as of the last box. Select big arrow, select line end as arrow, and you can see your annotations are ready. Adjust the location of box according to your needs. And congratulations, your dashboard is ready. So now you can see whenever I click on the button, that is click here to see bar plot or map, you can see the dashboard changing. Now I'll show you my dashboard. So this was the dashboard I created, and whenever I click on the buttons, the dashboard changes. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and comment if you have any queries, and please subscribe the channel for more of such interesting content. Thank you.